For beginners, I think y'all should start with a loop, because nobody want to hear you make some ringtone. But start with some drums. So we're gonna go look for some drums. So I'm gonna take this pen right here and put it right here. Then I'm gonna go look for some drums. So first I'm gonna start with the hi-hat. I'm gonna do a 1-2 step and decrease this volume right here. Now it sounds bouncy. Now select right here and Control B, and then duplicate it multiple times, and then put some claps. Yeah, and then you duplicate it again. You're gonna press the Control B again when you duplicate it, don't forget. Yes, now it sounds nice. So you can add some extra stuff, but yeah, right here I'm gonna add some extra stuff. If you don't want, then you can just be simple. You know, you don't have to add too much. Be simple. Then we're gonna go look for some 808s. I think this one sounds nice though. Now right here you're gonna put this together so that it doesn't clash, you know, just like this. And then go on and put some 808s. Some of you are probably wondering, why is my pattern like this? It's because it's on 191 BPM. And what's hard about this is that you have to know the key of the melody. So this is gonna be the tough time for this is gonna be tough for you as a beginner to know the key of the melody and the BPM too. If they didn't write a BPM or wherever you bought the loop from, it's gonna be hard for you to know the BPM. So if you wanna know, comment down below and subscribe, and I'll show you. And hit the notification button so that you can know when I'm dropping a new video. Sounds nice, but I'm gonna have to put it together so it can sound a little bit more better on the right key, you know. Just when I'm done, yeah, I like it like this. I'm gonna put it a little bit right down. Let me put this shit together. Hey yo guys, I'm gonna add some chant. It's an open head. Hey yo guys, I'd like to hear some comments from you, telling me what you think about this beat. You know, tell me what you think. Like, it could be bad, it could be great, it could be too much. Just say. When I decrease that, I'm just trying to make sure that it doesn't sound too louder than the 808. I put it on top of 808 because it sounds great. It sounds like long cap type beat. After this, I'm gonna have to play the whole beat, and yeah, I'll be done in a sec. Probably wondering, yeah, I forgot some kicks. Probably wondering why you didn't kicks right now. I forgot.